अस्सलामुअलैकुम, क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आइए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने पेपर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। द ग्रेट गैट्सबी इज अ नॉवल रिटन बाय, सो द राइट आंसर इज एफ स्कॉट फिट्जगेराल्ड। Russia St. Basil's Cathedral located at which city? Moscow. Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit was held on June 1992. Union Jack is the name of flag of country United Kingdom. Trunk Bay Beach is located at Virgin Island, USA. Qantas is an airline of Australia. Question number 7. Apiary is place of where bees are kept. Question number 8. Deepest ocean of the world is, so the right answer is Pacific. Question number 9. Fastest century in one day international by A.B. de Villiers. Question number 10. Being and Nothingness is a book written by Jean-Paul Sartre. Question number 11. 18 July declared as Nelson Mandela Day by UNO. Question number 12. Which one is not related to disarmament? So the right answer is NATO. Question number 13. What is the capital of New Zealand? So the right answer is Wellington. Question number 14. Capital of Zimbabwe. So the right answer is Harare. Question number 15. Headquarter of Samsung located at which country? Korea. Question number 16. First Muslim who got Nobel Prize was, so he was Anwar Sadat of Egypt. Question number 17. Gwadar Port located in which province of Pakistan? So the right answer is Balochistan. 18. The oldest barrage of Pakistan. So the oldest barrage of Pakistan is Sakhar Barrage. 19. Baltoro Glacier located at which range? So the right answer is Karakoram. 20. Postal jails in Pakistan for, so these are for juvenile prisoners. 21. Construction of Baglar Dam by India is a violation of Indus Basin Treaty. 22nd, Warsak Dam built on which river? So it is built on River Kabul. 23. OGRA stands for Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority. TDAP responsible for. So the right answer is export promotions. Pakistan imported palm oil from which country? So the right answer is Malaysia. Malaysia. Every action or law which is against fundamental rights would be null and void is defined in which article of the Constitution of Pakistan? Article 8. Which princely state disputed between India and Pakistan other than Kashmir? So, Junagadh. 28. National anthem of Pakistan approved on. So, the right answer is 1954. 29. Allama Iqbal given the title of Sir in the year of, so it is given in 1922. Who was the leader of the group of Muslim League which supported Simon Commission? So the leader was Mia Muhammad Shafi. 31st. Simon Commission report published in. So it was published in May 1930. Which British Prime Minister announced communal award? So he was Ramsay MacDonald. Pakistan participated in Olympics first time in the year of. So the right answer is 1948. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali buried at Cambridge. When Pakistan officially renamed as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So it was officially renamed in 1956. The Court of Federal Sharia was established in year of 1980. First ambassador of Pakistan in Iran appointed by Quaid-e-Azam was Ghazanfar Ali Khan. Day of Deliverance celebrated on which date? It is celebrated on 22nd December 1939. Jawaharlal Nehru was the space of Motilal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was son of the Motilal Nehru. 40. First Viceroy of India was. So first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. 41. Which Nawab fought Battle of Plassey? So the right answer is Nawab Sirajuddin Dowla. 42nd. current president of World Bank is Kristalina Georgieva. CPAC will be fully operational in which year? So the right answer is 2030. Kulbhushan Jadhav arrested from which area? He was arrested from Muskhel. What is the total length of M5 motorway? So the total length of M5 motorway is 394 kilometers. What is the rank of Imran Khan as PM? So Imran Khan is 22nd PM of Pakistan. Which Pakistani origin British national elected mayor of London in 2016? So he is Sadiq Khan. Shoaib Akhtar fastest delivery in the year of 2003 against country's team. So the country team was England. Who is the current governor of Sindh is? So right answer is Imran Ismail. Question number 50. वही means वही का मतलब होता है. So the right answer is revelation.